Hey guys, it is the Final Rant. Welcome back to another video. You might be asking, why is she in her robe? It's because we're doing a clothing haul. So I have these outfits that I I'm going on vacation. So this can be a summer vacation haul, or if you just want some cute little sexy outfits, then keep watching. Oh yeah, and make sure you're subscribed and go ahead and thumbs this video up if you like this type of content. Thumbs up, tell me what kind of content you guys do like versus what kind of content you guys don't really like, so kind of gauge what I put in future videos by the thumbs up. So thumbs up this video if you like it, and you'll definitely be seeing more of this type of stuff. So where am I going on vacation? Going to Las Vegas. I just need some time to get away, to like recuperate, regenerate, refresh, recharge, all of that re-up stuff. So the first thing in this haul, since it is a vacation travel haul, first thing you need, absolute necessary, is your luggage. I have big luggage. I have big luggage, but this is going to be a trip on Frontier, so I had to purchase this. It is a little rolling under seat carry-on. You can get on any Frontier flight and stick this under your under the chair, and you won't be charged because it'll be counted as a personal item. So I'm gonna have to smash all of my outfits in here. But if y'all want a detailed video on that, because I know that's not what y'all are here for, so if you want a detailed video on that, let me know in the comments below, and then I'll do a detailed video about all the features that this little bag has. But I don't want to do it in this video because I feel like I've already talked enough. Okay, so I think that is good. Maybe I'll zoom out just a little bit. Better close your purse, girl. Close your purse. So this is a cute little outfit. The material is super slinky, super stretchy. The stripes definitely accentuate the curves. You can make it cute and clubby, or you can make it cute and sporty. I chose to wear my Vans, and I have my cute little pink purse to match and accessorize. I don't know if the camera is giving this justice, but it is like a lime green, a white, a black, and then a bright Barbie pink. So that is that outfit. Next outfit, really cute dress, not sure if it's for me, and the size of my belly and the size of my booty. And the size of my back rolls. But yeah, it's a one-piece dress, one strap over here, and it's connected with a cutout, and then the sides are ruched in to kind of like accentuate curves, but I already have enough. I don't need that. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna send this one back yet or not. I mean, I know I'm still gonna lose more weight, but I don't like having outfits just sitting in my closet where I know like I can't currently wear them. So I don't know if it's gonna remain in my clothing stack or not. What do y'all think? This would probably look really cute on somebody. It's just, but somebody is not me right now. because of all of this and all of this.
Okay, so if you guys are an OG to my channel, then you already know where this dress came from. It came from Rainbow. Don't ask me why I have my flip-flops on. We thugging it out because my ankles were hurting. But yeah, I got this dress from Rainbow a couple of years back, so there won't be a actual link to this dress. I will try to find something comparable for y'all. And the hat, that was a recent purchase from the Rainbow in Houston. So yeah, that is that for that outfit.
Okay, so this is one of those more playful type of outfits. I can barely keep a straight face because all I can think about is that movie Xenon where the girl's like zoom zoom make my heart go boom boom, zoom 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 make my heart go boom. But yeah, it's definitely the hairstyle. Well, in the outfit, I think they wore crazy outfits. So let me model this for you. This dress is very form-fitting. It is snake print, as you can see. Spaghetti strap. So no need to wear a bra with it. Slinky, shorts, and curvaceous.
Pull that hoe, that bitch got to get a tick. Pull over, that ass too fat. 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 Pull over, that ass too fat.
Y'all, what is wrong with me? No, seriously, someone please make it stop.
And I've paired it with these shoes, as you can see. Okay, this is the next outfit. More like fancy club wear, popping a bottle, something like that. Definitely gonna have to wear some stilettos. This is definitely the don't fucking come talk to me outfit in the club. The girl is cute, but don't fucking talk to her. Like that outfit. Or even a night of gambling. You know, cute it up. You have to be very careful with this material because I feel like if it got makeup on it, the makeup would not come off until you like took it all the way to the dry cleaner. But yeah, this is a true white, I would say. Hopefully the camera is capturing that. I like this little detail here where it's open. It definitely cups your boobs, makes you look nice and supple. And this is a one-piece outfit, y'all. I tried this on without a bra, and when you do that, you can kind of see the under boobage there. So be careful with that if you have really big tatas, because they will be like poking out at the bottom. For this video's sake, I'm wearing a bra in the video because y'all don't need to see all my business. So yeah, a super cute outfit. It's a 10 in my book. I almost forgot about this outfit. I don't know if I'm going to keep this one or not. The pattern is super cute. It has 2 slits down the side. I love the top, but it accentuates my scar that I have here, and my belly is not quite where I want it to be with this outfit. And then also, this is kind of mesh, so it is kind of see-through. All they have underneath it is this little swim type thing. I don't know why they would make this shorts or something like that, because, you know, like everything is out. But I guess this would be cute for like the beach, where you already would have on a swimsuit already, so you're not really showing all of your goods, because it's just the same amount of material as a swimsuit. But yeah, still debating on if I like this outfit or not. Let me know what y'all think in the comment box below. I mean, I guess it's not that see-through, but still, I just feel like I'm half naked in it. But definitely love those slits up the leg. 2 slits, not 1, 2 slits. That is so sexy, like so fire. Like, if y'all would have did right and made the shorts instead of trying to make some thought wear, I would have been confident in this outfit choice. But we will see how it goes. On to the next. This is the next outfit. I have some cute little shorts here that kind of remind me of like a cargo short, but like, you know, the burnt orangish reddish version of a cargo pants. Super cute, not too short in the back, still accentuates the booty, still accentuates all of your parts still. But yeah, I already tried this one. Okay, and now we're moving on to the swimwear. So are y'all excited? I haven't gotten on camera with swimwear on in like a year, so y'all should feel happy. This is the next swimsuit. It's kind of tight. I didn't try it on in the store, but oh well. It's very inexpensive, I'm gonna say. Yes, it was $10, y'all. So I'm still gonna wear it anyways. So this one piece is perfect for someone that's kind of like, they have insecurities about their tummy, because it definitely kind of pulls that in, and it's all white. So it kind of disguises this, especially in pictures and stuff like that. Super duper cute. And the back, let me show you the detailing on the back. And that's how that looks. Yes, this came from Burlington Coat Factory. So yeah, they always have really good deals. So since we're discussing like travel and all of that, I wanted to also show y'all a sweater that I got for the flight, because I'm always like really cold on the flight. So I got this cute little sweater. It has like all this black queen, black excellence, black everything, black and intelligence. And it is hooded. There's the hood. Scoot in so you guys can see some of the detailing. This is so cute. I can't wait to wear this. This one says boy bye. That one says not your baby girl. Okay. Yes. So I'm super excited about this. So hopefully it won't be cold, but if it is, I'm gonna have this to save me. And I got it for super cheap, y'all. Guess how much I paid for this? I don't even want to tell y'all, because it doesn't, like, the price does not do this justice.
Hopefully you guys really enjoyed this haul, and be sure to check out the next video. I think I'm going to talk about the suitcase that I purchased for my flight. the one that goes under the seat and you don't get charged for. I know y'all want to see that if y'all are into traveling. But yeah, I'll link all of the outfits below, the ones that I do have links to, and let you know where I got each and every one of these outfits from. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video.